This is dog kennels at Denali National Park. These are sled dogs, and they have a program where they show them to the public and demonstrate them in a show a little bit after we get here. This is their habitat. Those are little toys that they play with. It's got food inside of them, and every now and then they get a treat. Then there's some more dogs. There's one of the rangers. Actually, two rangers with one of the dogs there. So we'll be seeing the show a little bit later. There they are. Hey, buddy. They're really shy. They don't go near the people. I guess they see so many visitors that they're a little skittish and don't come close to them.